Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos. I'm going to take you over to the disc. So it's this solar panel, and it's this round disc, and it's one of the sites here in Zadar, Croatia. It's a solar collector, but then it like reflects light and then shines light all night. So it's a big deal here. So I'll take you over there and you can see it. Thanks everybody. Bye bye. Okay everybody, here is the solar disc panel thingamajigger, but you can see that it's a pretty big deal. So what happens is this whole thing is a solar collector, and it's filled with a whole bunch of LED lights, and so it lights up all night long. I guess it just stores the energy and everything else. But if you notice, it has like measurements around where the sun is and where the stars are, and it's a big old huge thing of stuff mixed into this one little spot. But it's a big deal here, and I think it changes color. It does. So there's green, there's red, there's purples, there's blues, and it just it's pretty amazing. And I think if you step on it, it changes different color. I don't know for sure. But it's pretty neat, and it's free. It doesn't cost them anything. And as it gets darker, I'm sure it's going to get a lot more vibrant and alive. So. But people play on it all the time. That's very cool. You know, it's hard to tell because the sun's just going down right now, so you can't really see it too much. But let me see if I step back here a little bit, if that helps you or if it's harder to see. Actually, I probably just need to get darker. Maybe I'll come back in a minute. Bye, everybody. So it's a little later now. You can see that there's even more people here. But I'm trying to determine if it's pressure sensitive. I mean, is it that makes the colors change, or there's certainly, it's certainly pretty vibrant colors. It's like a dance floor, you know what I mean? Pretty neat stuff. Wow. Cool. Hi everybody. Thanks for coming. Bye.